Jimmy Donaldson, better known as MrBeast, isn't just a YouTube star, he's a philanthropist, an entrepreneur, and an inspiration for millions around the world. His story is one of relentless ambition, incredible generosity, and a deep understanding of what makes people tick. So, how did a kid from Kansas become one of the most powerful and beloved figures on the internet? Let's dive into his incredible journey, from humble beginnings to becoming the undisputed king of YouTube. Born on May 7, 1998, Jimmy grew up with a passion that many kids his age shared, playing video games and watching YouTube. But for Jimmy, it was more than just a hobby. He saw YouTube as a canvas, a place where he could create something new and build a career. At just 13 years old, he started his first channel, MrBeast 6000. Like many aspiring creators, he began by experimenting with different types of content, mostly centered around gaming. He'd post Let's Plays of popular games like Minecraft and Call of Duty, offer tips and tricks, and even try his hand at estimating the wealth of other YouTubers. These early years were far from glamorous. Jimmy's first videos were simple, often recorded on a basic setup. He faced the same struggles as countless others: low views, little to no income, and the constant challenge of trying to stand out in a crowded space. He spent countless hours studying the YouTube algorithm, trying to figure out what made a video go viral. He was obsessed with understanding retention rates, thumbnails, and titles. He wasn't just making videos, he was reverse engineering the platform itself. This period of his life was a grind, filled with failures and moments of doubt. But one thing set him apart: he never, ever gave up. His persistence and his willingness to constantly innovate and try new formats would eventually lay the groundwork for his massive success. The turning point came when Jimmy decided to pivot from standard gaming content to something far more ambitious and outlandish. He started a series of videos that involved absurdly long and pointless tasks. One of his first big hits was a video where he literally counted to 100,000, a feat that took him over 40 hours. People were captivated by the sheer audacity of it. Why would anyone do that? The curiosity was irresistible. He followed this with other viral stunts, like reading the entire dictionary, watching It's Everyday Bro for 10 hours straight, and spinning a fidget spinner for 24 hours. These videos weren't just stunts, they were masterpieces of human psychology and viral marketing. He understood that extreme effort, even for a seemingly pointless goal, was compelling content. It was during this period that the MrBeast persona truly began to form, a creator willing to do anything for a video. But as his channel grew, so did his vision. The stunts became bigger, and a new, crucial element was introduced: generosity. MrBeast began incorporating large sums of money into his videos, not for himself, but to give away. He started with small amounts, tipping pizza delivery drivers thousands of dollars, and then escalated. He gave a homeless man $10,000, bought cars for complete strangers, and even gave his 1 millionth subscriber a house. This is what truly set him apart. While other creators flexed their wealth, MrBeast weaponized his for good. His challenge videos evolved into elaborate contests, where the last person to leave a circle or keep their hand on a Lamborghini would win it. These videos combined the high-stakes drama of a game show with the heartwarming impact of changing someone's life forever. What truly solidifies MrBeast's legacy, however, isn't just the viral stunts or the massive giveaways. It's his genuine commitment to philanthropy on a global scale. He has given away millions of dollars, not just to random fans, but to people in desperate need. He's paid for life-changing surgeries, funded scholarships, and supported countless charities. He even opened his own food pantry and homeless shelter. Two of his most ambitious projects, #TeamTrees and #TeamSeas, mobilized his massive audience to tackle real-world problems. For #TeamTrees, he partnered with other creators to raise over $20 million to plant 20 million trees. Then, with #TeamSeas, he raised $30 million to remove 30 million pounds of trash from oceans and rivers. These campaigns proved that a YouTube creator could be a powerful force for positive change, inspiring a generation to think about their impact on the world. His journey teaches us a powerful lesson: consistency, creativity, and a genuine desire to help others can not only change your own life, but can also change the world. Beyond his YouTube channel, Jimmy has proven to be a savvy and ambitious entrepreneur. He didn't just want to be a creator, He wanted to build an empire. He leveraged his massive brand recognition to launch several successful businesses. First came MrBeast Burger, a virtual restaurant brand that operates out of existing restaurant kitchens. It launched in hundreds of locations overnight, becoming an instant sensation. Then came Feastables, his own line of chocolate bars and snacks designed to be a healthier alternative to other major brands. He promoted it with his classic flair, even building a real-life Willy Wonka chocolate factory for a video. These ventures aren't just side hustles. They are major businesses that generate millions in revenue, which he then famously reinvests back into his YouTube videos, creating a self-sustaining cycle of content and growth. He's showing that a creator's vision can extend far beyond the screen and into multiple industries. So, what can we learn from MrBeast's story? From his small beginnings in a bedroom in Kansas to becoming a global phenomenon, his journey proves that big dreams require even bigger work ethics. It's a testament to the power of persistence. He failed hundreds of times before he found success, but he never stopped experimenting and learning. His story encourages us to think outside the box and not be afraid to be different. While everyone else was following trends, he was creating entirely new genres of content. He teaches us that if you have a vision, you need to start now, learn as you go, and never, ever fear failure. Failure, for him, was just data. It was a lesson on what not to do next time. His relentless drive to improve every single video by just 1% is the secret sauce to his long-term success. Jimmy Donaldson, the man behind MrBeast, is so much more than just a YouTuber. He is a symbol of modern creativity, unparalleled generosity, and sheer determination. He has redefined what it means to be a content creator, blurring the lines between entertainment, business, and philanthropy. He has shown the world that one person, armed with a camera, a creative idea, and a good heart, can genuinely make a difference. He entertains millions, but more importantly, he inspires them to be better, to give back, and to dream bigger. In a world often filled with cynicism, MrBeast is a powerful reminder of the good that people can do, both online and in the real world. Thank you so much for watching. If you were inspired by MrBeast's journey, make sure to like this video, subscribe for more stories like this, and let us know in the comments what you admire most about him. See you in the next one.